Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gosht Pulao. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 kilogram of fragrant basmati rice and 500 grams of your preferred meat, such as tender lamb or beef. Don't forget whole spices like bay leaves, cinnamon, and cardamom, which are crucial for authentic flavor. Also, prepare 2 large onions, 2 ripe tomatoes, and a generous amount of ginger garlic paste. Finally, have some plain yogurt, fresh green chilies, and coriander ready for a perfect finish. Next, let's create the flavorful broth that defines Gosht Pulao. Start by browning your sliced onions in about 1/4 cup of oil until they achieve a beautiful golden hue. Then, add the meat and ginger garlic paste, cooking until the meat is nicely seared. Stir in the whole spices, chopped tomatoes, and 1 cup of plain yogurt. Pour in 4 cups of water, bring it to a boil, and then simmer until the meat becomes wonderfully tender. Now, it's time to infuse the rice with all that incredible flavor. First, soak your 1 kilogram of basmati rice for 30 minutes, then drain it completely. Carefully remove the tender cooked meat from the broth, and then strain the broth to ensure it's smooth and free of any solids. Combine this strained, aromatic broth with your soaked rice in a large cooking pot. Finally, add the cooked meat back into the pot, distributing it evenly throughout the rice. For the grand finale, we'll use the dumb cooking method. Bring the rice and broth mixture to a boil over high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly with a lid or even foil and let it cook on dumb for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the rice to steam perfectly. Garnish your aromatic Gosht Pulao with fresh coriander and sliced green chilies. Serve it hot with a side of cool raita or a crisp salad.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.